In After Effects, click on the Toggle Transparency Grid button. This will show what your composition will look like when exported with a transparent background. If the grey and white checkbox doesn't appear behind your composition, you may have left an extra layer you need to remove before exporting. When ready to export, click File, Export and Add to Render Queue. In the Output module, make sure the format is set to QuickTime, and in the Channels option, you need to select the RGB plus Alpha channel, as this will render the background as transparent. If you wish to choose the format more specifically, click in Format Options. Here, you'll either need to set the video codec to either Animation, which will be the highest quality, or Apple ProRes 444, which will be a slightly smaller file size. These two will both render a transparent background. Click OK, set the destination, and hit Render. You can now import your exported composition from After Effects into Premiere, and the background will be automatically transparent.